Okay guys, I want to show you guys how to catch spikes with this strategy. I told you that it's very simple to catch spikes with this strategy. So you'll be seeing me catching spike pretty soon. All right, so remember I told you you need to add this Ichimoku, and at this point, this level here where you see market at the level below level 15 or level 10 depending, you should be opening a position right there. Okay, so you see what happened right here. So what happened here, so that's gonna happen again pretty soon. So we're about to catch spikes now on B1000. All right, B1000. So yeah, you're welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, your best mentor, the major. If you're new on a channel, if you want to see how I catch these spikes, I want you to take a few seconds, just smash the like button. All right, click and smash the like button is very important. And also don't forget to join or subscribe to this channel or join a free Telegram channel. Click on the post notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a strategy like this. Okay, so I'm buying B1000 right there, catching spikes on the B1000. But the first thing I need to do, remember what I told you, the first thing I need to do is to check my 15 minutes time frame. Beautiful. So this is my 15 minutes time frame. My 15 minutes time frame tells me that we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend right there. Okay, you can see we have the MA 30 below 60 below the current price, even on the 30 minutes time frame. All right, so even on the 4 hours time frame, there's a strong bullish move. Okay, so right here we'll be catching spikes around this level right now. So I'm opening a position right there, one lot size. So I'm planning to open 2 lot size. So I'll open 1 lot size now, then I'll open another 1 lot size to make it 2 lot size. So I'll give it a few minutes. Let's say the next 4 minutes or 5 minutes, I'll open another 1 lot size to make it 2 lot size. All right, so that's how it is. Yeah, this strategy, I told you, you wait for market to get to the oversold for boom, like what happened here. Okay, you can see market dropped to this point on the indicator window 1. Both the Ichimoku and the and the RSI dropped to the oversold zone. Then around that oversold zone level 10, there was a great spike, a massive spike right there. There was a massive spike right there. So let me show you another one again. You must be sure that both Ichimoku and and RSI touches the oversold zone right there. Okay, that's the confirmation. The 2 indicators must touch that zone. Yeah, so I'm not sure that one touched the zone. So you can see another one here. That's another one right there. This one as well. This one as well. Okay, all right. So that's the strategy. It's crazy. It's amazing strategy. It's an amazing strategy. So let's see what's gonna happen today. We open, that is 1, 2, this is the 3rd candlestick that is forming now. So after 4 or 5 candlesticks, I'll open 1 more positions. Then after 5 minutes, if that 1 more position did not spike, all right, market did not spike after opening the 1 more position, like I'll give it 10 minutes. If it did not spike, I'm closing out. All right, I'm closing out. So that 10 minutes will be like, I'll be losing like $7. Yeah, I'll be losing like $7 each position for the first position. Then the second position will be like $4. All right, so yeah, that's the idea. All right, so for boom, you wait for market to get to the oversold, okay, oversold zone. Then for crash 1000, you wait for market to get to the overbought zone, like what happened here. See, around that level there was a massive spike. After moving from here to this point, there was a massive spike. Remember, market must move from this oversold level to the overbought level. It's very important. All right, I have my reason. So that it shows that it has been going up for a long time before getting to this point. So when it gets to this point, it's likely gonna spike. Okay, then the same thing here. You can see the spike. When the spike happened, we had massive spike, like multiple spikes right there. Right, same thing here, the same thing right there. There was a thunderous, a massive long spike right there. I say long spike right there. Another one right there. Another spike there. Another spike there. Another spike. So every time market gets to that point, due to my settings, it will spike, and when it spike over and over. You can see that massive spike right there. All right, so that's the strategy. Remember, you must wait for market to get to the overbought for crash. Then when it crashes, it's massive. The crash will be massive. It will be crazy, right? You can see this, the crash from this level spikes multiple times, about 3 times before started reversing again. All right, so see another one right there. That's another one right there. So that's the strategy I'm about to unleash today to show you guys how to use it. All right, so let's check the boom again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one. After that one, we'll be opening another position right there. So now these are the settings. These are the settings. We have the first indicator we have is MA on the main chart. The job of this MA is to show you the trend. Are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? So if you have the MA below the current price or candlesticks, that means markets will be going up. But if you have it above, that means markets will be going down. So it acts like a zone. The MA 60 acts like a zone. So we have period 60, shift is 0, method is smoothed, apply to typical price. Levels here we have green, use green. Okay, you can use green. Then you click on done. Okay, you go back again. You're adding the RSI. You click on add RSI. The period is 16. Apply to typical price. Levels here we have 90, 85, 15, and 10. You click on done. Then the color, you use black and 3 pixel. All right, let's open one more position right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's open one more position right there. Okay, so yeah, you go back again to add the Ichimoku, which is the last indicator. Ichimoku, Tenkan Sen is 7, Kijun Sen is 6, Senko Span B is 62. You don't fill this place, leave that place empty. Kijun Sen is blue, that's the only one that will be shown. Kijun Sen will be shown, so it must be color. Okay, you must have a color that will stand out from your MT5 background. Okay, then you click on done. That's it. So now we are giving it 5 more minutes. If it does not spike in 5 more minutes, we are closing out. Why? Because if it spike in the next 5 minutes, it will be able to get to our first entry. All right, so if it doesn't get, if it goes 5 minutes below, we are closing out. All right, that's how to trade boom and crash. You don't wait for it to spike, keep believing or keep expecting the miracle to happen. You can just close out. You can just close out once gets to a certain level. You need to plan yourself. You need to know, okay, 5 candlesticks, I'm closing out. 10 candlesticks, I'm closing out. You just need to plan it that way. And if it does not spike, close, because it might keep on going down over and over and you lose more money. All right, so that's it. So 5 more candlesticks, we are closing out if it does not spike. I hope it spikes. All right, so remember, you wait for market to get to the oversold, like here. Drop back down to level 15. Once it gets to level 15, if we're planning to open one lot size, you open 0.5 right there, first one 0.5. Then if it did not spike, just like what I did, you wait for it to get to the second zone, then you open another 0.5 to make it one lot size. Remember, I wanted to open 2 lot size, but I refused to open 2 lot size at once. Okay, so we just had a spike, though it's not a massive spike, but then you can see the spike took the first entry and the second entry. You understand? So now we are in good profit. I didn't mean to open the 2 position up here. They opened the 2 position up here. The profits will not be much, but right now we have much profit. So that's the strategy, guys. I'll be closing out very soon. I'll just allow 1 candlestick to do. Let me see if I'll have a double spike. If it does not spike after 1 candlestick or 2 candlestick, I'm closing out. All right, I'm closing out. So you can see that's how to catch spikes on boom and crash. Though we do not have a massive spike, but if it was a massive spike, a very long spike, you know what's going to happen. You know what it is, right? So that's how to catch spikes on boom and crash. You can see how effective, how strong this strategy is. I want you guys to practice this strategy on your demo account first, over and over. And though I've tested this strategy over time, over 100 times, and it's crazy. It kills the market, right? So you need to practice this strategy on your demo accounts first before going live with this strategy. All right, so that'll be all for now, guys. Join the academy, join the free Telegram channel. The academy is open. I provide signals, VIP, high probability signals, 3 to 6 high probability signals daily, even the currency signals as well. Then mentorship, I teach people how to analyze the market as a pro. Then account management, if you have up to $200 above $1K, meet me, chat me up. Check the description of this video to chat me up. I have my WhatsApp and my Telegram link there. Chat me up. Let's make money together. Okay, that'll be all for now. Bye bye.